Hello friends, I'm Kumar Vijayendra and you are watching Vidya Live's Career Counseling series, which is the ultimate destination for seeking right guidance on different streams and careers. Friends, this video is a part of our medical specialty series in which Vidya Live will provide all the requisite details of the Diploma in General Medicine or DGM in India. In this video, we will inform you about DGM career opportunities, DGM eligibility criteria, DGM admission process and DGM syllabus. Friends, before moving further, here is a request. Since Vidya Live provides right guidance on education and career in a crisp manner, so please subscribe to Vidya Live channel and press the bell icon so that you are immediately notified as soon as a new video is uploaded on the channel. Let's start covering the subject by discussing career options after getting the Diploma in General Medicine. Friends, the Diploma in General Medicine is a popular postgraduate medical course in India that provides an opportunity for medical professionals to specialize in general medicine. With the right skills and knowledge, you can have a successful career as a general practitioner, medical officer, research assistant, medical advisor, or medical consultant. After completing DGM, one can also work in hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, and research institutes. Friends, in the upcoming section, Vidya Live will inform you about DGM eligibility criteria. For pursuing Diploma in General Surgery, aspirants must have a Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, that is MBBS degree, or an equivalent medical degree from a recognized university. They must also have completed MBBS mandatory internship. Additionally, the aspirants must be registered with the National Medical Commission or NMC or a State Medical Council. Now, let us talk about DGM admission process. Friends, the admission process for the Diploma in General Medicine varies from college to college. Most colleges offer admission based on the merit list of the NEET PG or National Eligibility cum Entrance Test for postgraduate exam. In the last section, Vidya Live will inform you about DGM syllabus. The Diploma in General Medicine is a one-year course that focuses on providing basic medical knowledge and skills to diagnose and treat patients. The course includes subjects like anatomy and physiology, biochemistry, pathology, microbiology, pharmacology, medicine, surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, preventive and social medicine. So friends, with this, it's time to sign off. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment and share it with your friends and family. Never miss out on the latest educational insights and career guidance from Vidya Live. Stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on social media platforms. For any questions or suggestions, drop a comment or email us at info@vidyalive.com. Thanks for watching.